Hey, we're still friends, and you can trust me.
I'm just afraid that you or someone will send me to some circus. Or researchers will pull me apart limb by limb to study me.
Why would I send you to a circus, or scientists or whatever?
They capture many of us, every day, and every 1,000 mares. They captured an old friend. I hate them. They study them, and cut them open. They killed and fed on them, all except for one.
Your ex, right?
I hate him. If he comes, I'll get my revenge. But I won't deny what happened before, and how it is when I liked him.
Can I ask you a question? Is Myra sign like you?
Now you're smart for realizing? How'd you figure it out?
How could I not? She disappeared by the other side of the beach. And when she went into the ocean, she appeared.
Thanks for not saying anything by the way.
I'll keep your secret, don't worry. I won't tell a soul.
The rain has stopped.